There's no greater enemy for your transmission than heat. Whether your truck's a dedicated tow vehicle, hard-working fleet truck, or a daily driver, you need to ensure that your transmission runs cool. Inside the box, we've got the cooler itself, a set of fittings, and all the necessary lines and hardware for installation. Mishimoto coolers boast an increase in core volume and fluid capacity compared to stock units. That means significantly better cooling performance, especially under heavy towing conditions. Mishimoto coolers feature a stacked plate or tube and fin design depending on the application, and they are built to withstand the rigors of heavy-duty use while maintaining efficient heat dissipation. Mishimoto offers direct fit and universal transmission coolers for a wide range of trucks. Mishimoto coolers are covered by Mishimoto's lifetime warranty. To find a Mishimoto transmission cooler for your truck, check out xdp.com.